Morning all, Craig here from Under Pressure Air Compressors. I'm just out at the moment at Hanson's Concrete in Darwin doing a service on their L18 compressor. As you can see it here, it gets well used. There's the hours on it. It's probably 3-4 hours under, but we're going to do it. The main thing today we're going to concentrate on is the air filter. So if you notice, the air filter here, we'll take the lid off it because it's in such a harsh environment in here. It gets a real hammering, so you can see I'll just bring it out into the sun a wee bit. As you can see, it cops a fair hiding due to the dust and all the stuff floating around in here. So this is in for a 6-month service, a minor service. This is probably one of the most important parts of your compressor, due to the fact that if you're getting a lot of dust and that going into your screws, it can actually do a lot of damage. So yeah, one important thing to do. Oh good, okay, well I'll leave you with that, and like the old saying, if you're not under pressure, if your compressor's not under pressure, well, give us a call. Okay, have a good day. Thanks.